Everyone, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the big day that we announce the winners. We got very close to 500 subscribers. We got to 410. So when I hit 500, we'll do a separate giveaway to give away a third box of goodies that I had set aside. But today I'm announcing two winners. So what I'm going to do is announce it here, and then we're going to do the Look Fantastic box here. So I'm going to announce the winners first so you guys can see, and then anyone interested, stay tuned and we'll go over this box because this is a brand new box. Alice, what are you doing, baby?
I'm doing my tooth.
Oh, she has a loose tooth, so let's not do that on the video, okay?
Why?
People don't want to see your tooth coming out. She's very excited. This is her first tooth coming out. All right, so I used a random generator to pick the comments, and then I sat last night and I double checked that these people that it picked had met all the qualifications, meaning that they had appropriately commented what they were going to, supposed to say, and that they were a subscriber, and I could view that on my list. Unfortunately, there were a couple people that got picked that did not meet that qualification, mainly because I couldn't view if they were a subscriber or not, and ultimately this is to reward those subscribers of my channel. So the first winner who got her first choice was Cheyenne Taylor XOXO, as you guys can see here in box A. I will comment down below on her comment. Cheyenne, if you could please comment back, a good way to contact you, and then we'll set up how to get in touch to get you that information. And the second one is, I am probably not going to say this right, is Maricar TV. She wanted box C. And so box A and box C, I don't have the boxes in here to remind you guys which ones, but box B will be the one that I'll hold over for when we hit 500 subscribers, or for some reason I can't get a hold of one of these two subscribers by the time I get back from my trip, which will be the first half of March. I'll do an announcement and pick some other winners, which I have already picked out. But anyway, please, please, please get back with me. I will not be able to mail this out until March, probably 3rd or 4th. I got to get back and get everything packaged, and then I'll mail it out. I do believe one of these is international, so that will probably take a little bit more time to mail out. But I will let you guys know once I contact you that it's mailed out, all that good stuff, tracking information and all that. So anyway, congratulations, guys. And like I said, when I hit 500, we're only 90 subscribers away. I'll do another giveaway. We'll include that box B, and we will go ahead and do maybe another person in that giveaway. So it's not a bad thing. I'll just have more to give away at that point. All right, let's get into this. This is Look Fantastic. This is a new box, but from, I believe, the parent company or a sister company that does the Glossy Box. When you fill out Glossy Box's information and reviews, they give you points to the Look Fantastic site. It's a UK site, I believe. And this box, I want to say, was like $17 a month with shipping included. So I had seen some of these boxes. I was curious. I recently got rid of my Yes Oh Yes and Box of Style, so I was looking for something different, and I thought this one would be fun. But this box is so cute. It's super thick, really, 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 really pretty. What's it about this?
Can I look at this palette?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, she's, let me show you the palette she wants to look at. It's really cute. I'm going to do a video on this here shortly. I've already started playing with it. This is a freaking gorgeous palette, but that's the one she wants to look at because it's so pretty. So when I open it up, it comes all the way from England, and they even had a little custom slip. So the big thing about this is it does take a while if you get it in the US or elsewhere, because they don't seem to have a branch at least in the US, but that's not a bad thing. They do seem to ship a lot of different places. So that's kind of cool. They did throw in this Akata online supermarket. I don't even know if this works in the US because it has all the stuff for the UK. This probably does not work here in the US, but that's okay. All right, so, wow, this box is so thick and pretty. It says Life LF Beauty Box. Love is like the shining trickling through clouds on a rainy day, inescapable and ever present. This box is absolutely beautiful. And then they have this really, really, really heavy, thick quality book called Look Fantastic Beauty Box for February 2019. This is like what you see in the more expensive, like $50 or $100 subscription boxes. So this is really, really cool. And bear with me because this is the first time I've ever unboxed this. So it says on page 6 what's in the box, and then it gives you some like tips and stuff. So these are the different things that are in the box, and then yeah, different options here. I don't think this box gets variations. I think everybody gets the same thing. And then they give you some like beauty tips on other stuff. And they talk about some stuff about the team. This is really cool. Like, yeah, lots of interesting things here. And then what I think is also interesting is you get this little version of the UK's Elle magazine. So that is really, really neat. And so if you like magazines, that comes in here. So let's get into the box. It looks like this. I did open it up and sneak peek it. Yes, dear?
I want to swatch these colors.
You can swatch a few. All right, so let's look at what we have in here. Again, I don't remember if they had a lot of sneak peeks, but this is what it looks like. The presentation is really pretty. So the first thing here is a little Erno Laszlo Exfoliate and Detox Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. It's a little tiny bar. Ooh, my light's doing something weird here. Sorry about that. I'm still getting used to this new ring light, and so I don't know. I'm switching between my camera, my big camera, which is on the bed there, and my phone when I need to do a quick upload. So my phone is having a little bit of difficulty with this light, but look, it's a cute little bar. This is really cool, and I've never really used just a facial mud bar, but I'm going to try this out and get back with you guys. I do like this brand. I have tried their eye masks. I have a video on it a while back, and I really, really like them. All right, guys, here's another item here. So this is the Emit Makeup Eyelash Curler. I actually got one of these way back in the glossy box. It's a really nice eyelash curler. I don't need to. I don't curl my lashes that often, but it's in rose gold. So I'm going to leave this and give this away to somebody because this is a really nice thing. Yes, sweetheart?
She does already have it in
Yeah. Hey, be careful so you don't sit on that, okay? All right, the next item here is a Deuce Punk Volumizer Mascara. I know I've gotten another Deuce mascara. I don't think it was this specific. No, this is very similar. Well, the brush is a little bit different. It's a huge wand here. I didn't care for the last one because the wand, I felt like kind of was so big I poked my eye a lot. So I only gave it a few tries and tossed it. But this is a slightly different wand. So I am going to go ahead and give this a try and see what I think. All right. Next item here is a Lord & Berry Crayon Lipstick. As you guys can see, very pretty color. I love. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. That's actually a color I would use. It's like a nice, pretty, light berry pink. Very pretty.
I like this berry pink.
Yes, sweetheart. So that's that. This one I think we knew we were getting in. This is the Sleek Makeup Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette in Light. And I can't remember. I think they have you do a beauty profile, but I'm glad that it's in the light, obviously, because I'm pale. And if I can get this open here. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to not make this video too long. I'm going to pause for a second. You can. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's actually really nice. These are like right up my alley for colors. So those are the colors. Let me just swatch them on my hand real quick. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, so you can see that's the what's it called? The bronzer, that's the highlighter, and that's the blush. So I am excited. This has a nice little mirror. And yeah, so we'll give that a try. That's the Sleek Makeup. And then the final thing in here, oh yeah, she's showing you her swatches here. This is Philip Kingsley's Maximizer, Maximum Volume, Body, and Bounce for fine, limp, and flyaway hair types. I don't really have super fine and limp hair. So I actually may give this to my mom because she has that. But there you go. Very nice. So let me see real quick before I go if they have any of these. Ooh, sorry, I got distracted. Sneak peek into Marches. They're going to give 2% hyaluronic by The Ordinary. I'm actually really excited about that. I've been wanting to try that particular item for a while. But let me see if they have the prices on these. They do not. So that is a little bit of a downer. I'll have to look up the prices later. But overall, I'm very happy with this box, except for the eyelash curler, which I already have, which I will give away. Overall, I think this is a fantastic box, and I'm really excited to try out this stuff, and it's kind of fun and different. So yeah, I'm going to keep up with this box for a little bit and see what I think. I think their presentation's really nice. I think you get a good, decent amount for your money, considering where it's having to come from. I mean, anyway, guys, thanks. And to the winners, thanks again. And thank you, everyone, for supporting me. And why is my daughter showing her hand off? She's showing off a makeup wipe, guys. Anyway, please, please, please reach out to me. Like I said, when I get back, I haven't heard from people, I will go ahead and do another video and announce other winners that I've already picked. But I'm hoping we don't have to get to that. And then, like I said, once we hit 500, we'll do box B. So, all right, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you later.